We begin with Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and his bloc asking the Supreme Court for relief in the ongoing Senate leadership impasse. The petition comes just a day before the special session ordered by the President begins. Mobile journalist Merimon Reyes has tonight's big story.
A day before the special session sanctioned by President Bongbong Marcos himself, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano and his allies filed a petition for a status quo ante order at the Supreme Court. The said petition seeks to declare null and void the June 3rd session which elected Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as Senate President pro tempore. This includes the declaration of a quorum in the said session on the basis of 12 senators present and the approval of the motion and declaration that all elective positions in the Senate are vacant. It also seeks to nullify the election of Win Gatchalian as Senate President pro tempore and acting Senate President, as well as that of Senator Mig Zubiri as Majority Leader, Attorney Rene Bantug as Senate Secretary, and retired Police Major General Alfred Corpus as Senate Surgeon-at-Arms, as well as the election of new committee chairmen. If granted, the petitioners are asking the SC to reinstate and declare Cayetano as Senate President, Legarda as Senate President pro tempore, Montales as Senate Secretary, and all chairpersons of Senate committees before June 3. Cayetano said this petition is meant to protect the Constitution and the independence of the upper house.
Policy na ang Senate ay mailagay sa ilalim ng Malacanang at yung 12 daw ay pwede, hindi 13. So may statement po kami, it's also posted dito sa Facebook. So yun po ang statement sa final natin sa Supreme Court. Pag walang rules, pag walang batas, chaos po tayo. Ang mangyayari Wild Wild West. Kung sino mas malakas boses, sino mas maraming barel, sino mas maraming pera.
On top of this, the Cayetano bloc also asked the SC to immediately cease and desist the Gatchalian bloc from asserting and performing their office's duties that were acquired on June 3. It also seeks to mandate the respondents, the Gatchalian bloc, to not enforce or implement measures or resolutions approved or passed during and by virtue of the proceedings on June 3. Aside from Senator Alan Peter, the other signatories in the petition were Senators Pia Cayetano, Loren Legarda, Jinggoy Estrada, Bongo, Rodante Marcoleta, Amy Marcos, Robin Padilla, and Camille Villar. Noticeably missing on the list, however, were Senators Mark Villar and Joel Villanueva. This sparked speculation that they could align with the majority during tomorrow's special session. But this is all Gatchalian has to say.
Para sa akin, importante na we approve all of these bills. Huwag natin sayangin in special session dahil this is an opportunity sa atin na matapos yung mga nabinbin. That's why importante na yung mga senators natin maka-attend.
So paano kung hindi sila umattend, yung block nila, makakapagpatuloy pa?
Yes, because of the yung Avellino case, may quorum tayo.
Among the measures the Senate aims to pass in tomorrow's special session are much-needed additional help to the quake victims in Mindanao and the promotion of 5 generals. Cayetano has not yet confirmed his attendance, but he has a subtle dig to all this.
So kung 13 na sa kanila, congratulations. We know how you got it, sa pananakot, panunuhol, sasabihin, ikukulong. But sabi namin na anytime na 13 kayo na mamuno. Pero hindi magbabago principle namin. Kaya ang tanong ko, kung makukuha nyo yung 13, buburahin na naman natin yung flood control or IFRO front and center natin to.
Cayetano said he's also ready to let go of the Senate presidency on one condition.
Kunin na nila lahat, Senate presidency, lahat ng committees. Pero kung sincere sila, iwan sa atin yung Blue Ribbon Committee para ang buong katotohanan. Mag-attend sila. Hindi naman natin gusto ng hearing na isang side lang nandun, pero hindi bibigay.
Kapatid mobile journalist Merimon Reyes, we are One News.